Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Talk. This time we'll discuss pivot table, a very important feature in data analysis and reporting in Excel. So for that we already have created one Excel file with some sample data, of chocolates. The fields are serial number, product code, description, category, company and price. So there are a long list of all the cookies, semia, toast and packet sweets all are there, and 147 type of items are available. For each of them one serial number is there, product code is there, description is there, category is there, company is there, price is also there. So for this data, this list, we will create one pivot table where we can summarize the data category wise, company wise, and the price can be summed up. Number of items in each category in each company can be found out. So let us see how to create one pivot table. So for pivot table, what we need to do, let the cursor be within the list. Go to menu, insert menu, and one option is there in the ribbon, pivot table. Click it. One dialog box will be appearing on the screen. Select the table or range. Automatically the entire range where the list is available is selected. And next option, choose where you want to create the pivot table. Default is in new worksheet, and you can create it in the existing worksheet also. So by default it is new worksheet and is being selected. Let us it be. Okay. So a new worksheet is being created automatically as per our selection, and the pivot table formula is placed there. So by the side, pivot table field list is available. The field that were there with the list, serial number, product code, description, category, company and price. So these are the fields which we will make use of while preparing the pivot table. So what we need to do here, suppose I want the category to be placed here. There are 4 windows available here: report filter, column level, row level and values. So here you see in the row level, if I am putting category, automatically in the sheet area the row levels are coming. So whatever category are available, all the categories are visible here. So let us suppose in the value field we'll put price. The sum of price is coming. It is calculating in the background and the sum of price for each category is coming. So let us suppose in each category, just for example chocolate category, the price of items available is 1650. We want another column here where the number of items in each category should be visible. So for that, what I need to do, come to that pivot table field list and come product, either product code or description, and put it in values. So count of product code will be coming to the report area. here in pivot table area, see count of product code. It is coming as for chocolate category, it is 59. That means 59 different chocolates are there in the list. Like that, oats, cracker, number of items available is coming up. So the calculation is automatic here. And in place of category, let us suppose I am removing category here and putting company here. So same analysis company wise. Under company again, if category is there, then under Amul chocolate is there, Big Farm cookies, packet sweets and toast are there. Under Britannia chocolate, cookie, cracker, toast is there with the same calculation. Here, if multiple level of analysis is required, then here the button is coming to expand it or to collapse it. Any field you can collapse, you can expand. See how easily the report is being created. So for numeric, you can go for sum of price or any other calculation if you want. That is also possible. If you want to remove any field from your reporting area, that can be also done by just moving it. Just sum of price, I am just removing it. Only the count of products. So this is also easy. Come to description also. Here description also coming here. So whatever field you will be just dragging, that field will be visible in the pivot table area. Hope you already have captured and understood the logic behind it. Thank you for watching.